The next part covers Ubuntu Pro. Ubuntu Pro, as you can see, is a service that provides additional benefits. If you are an individual with less than 5 machines, you can register these for free. Ubuntu provides a corporate version, a paid for version. All you have to do, as you can see in the blurred out part here, type in the command sudo pro attach and the token that belongs to you. Make sure you never give out that token. I'm going to copy the token, go into my Ubuntu and sudo pro attach, and here I'm going to paste my token, press enter, and allow Ubuntu Pro to do its magic. If you want to find out more, just click your subscriptions, and below are the services and the documentation you can get.